Here's one way you can store your wave runners for the winter. This is the first time for us. Usually we store them indoors, but we lost our space for this season, so we figured try something else. So we just got a medium duty tarp because we like the color. The heavy duty tarps at Menards, they're like silver or black. We didn't really want black for soaking up the sun as the weather got warmer. So we're happy with what we got here. We probably going to change the jute twine we've got on here. I mean, I just threw that on because I ran out of bungee cords. But kind of trying to keep the tarp from billowing real bad. We just had some 60-mile-an-hour winds and sustained 30, crazy couple days. So, you know, when that tarp is billowing and snapping in the wind, that's where it has a tendency to tear out where you haven't mounted. So, just kind of quick here. We're going to get a tire cover for this side because that tire sits in the sun, and try and keep them going as long as we can from the UV damage. But just pretty much tarp bungeed over. And one thing we did do was underneath, we put a fan, one of those fans that kind of flips. Let's see, get up here closer. So there we go. Put it right on top of the frame. I have a, you can see it going all the way up to the top, I hope. Yeah, there we go. That's like what you use for shrink wrap. It was leftover from our boat. So I've got that right in the middle. Got it clamped to the frame. It's been working real good. It's probably been out here about a month now. And added a fan that has the swivel ability to go straight up. And we got it set on low. I've got it plugged into my garage with a Wi-Fi outlet switch, so I can turn it on and off from anywhere. And so far, working real good. Underneath the seats, apologize, I covered this up before I showed that, but under the seats we use those little buckets of damp rid. We set those down in the bilge, bottom of the hull, snapped on the seats. So, they're a good size, and it was dry to start out with, bone dry when we put it away. So it's going to be interesting, come springtime, but I think this will hold up real well. We do have the covers on them under here, but the biggest thing, I was thinking here was just keep the air moving. So I have one of those inflatable bubbles for my car, one of my cars that I'd used outside in the winter, and it has a continuous fan blowing in it and worked perfect. Couple of seasons, the car we had stored in there looked fantastic in the spring. So I know this isn't totally sealed, so hoping to get the same result. So in the springtime here, we'll give you an update on how it went. Thanks for watching.